Dear student, we are discussing about preparation of alcohols. In first point, we discussed alcohol from alkenes. Now second from carbonyl compound. Once again, when carbon combines with oxygen by double bond, which is called carbonyl group, and carbonyl group having compound is called carbonyl compound. So reduction of aldehyde and ketone we discussed. Aldehyde means RCHO. Reduction of it gives primary alcohol, and reduction of ketone gives secondary alcohol, also discussed. Now we are in our new point. Same carbonyl compound, carboxylic acid and ester. Yes, carboxylic acid and ester is also carbonyl compounds. Formula of carboxylic acid is like this. The structure is like this. અહીંયા R COO અને OH હોય એટલે CO group છે. So which is also carbonyl compound and ester. R COO R dash. Here is also carbonyl group. So ester and carboxylic acid also possesses carbonyl group. Carboxylic acid are reduced to primary alcohol in excellent yield by lithium aluminium hydride, which is one of the strong reducing agent. What is reducing agent? Itself experiences oxidation, but it reduces other compound. Reduction means addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. So here RCOOH is given. First react with lithium aluminium hydride, second with water. So I am giving a shortcut. Oxygen remove with 2 hydrogen. In this case, this is trick. The oxygen remove થયો, so 2 valency remains of carbon ના બે bond બાકી રહેશે, ત્યાં 2 hydrogen આવી જશે. So it gives RCH2OH. You can see primary alcohol by OH containing carbon is connected with 1, so it gives primary alcohol. Now example for it, if we are taking acetic acid. In first step for lithium aluminium hydride, in second water. So what happens there? 1 oxygen removes with 2 oxygen. 1 oxygen removes with 2 hydrogen as a H2O. So remaining valency of carbon 2, the carbon na 2 bond બાકી રહેશે, અહીંયા 2 hydrogen આવી જાય. Simple. So it gives ethanol. So ethanol is primary alcohol. OH containing carbon sp3 iodized, which connected with another one. But problem is that lithium aluminium hydride expensive reagent, ખૂબ જ મોંઘો પડે છે. In the reaction which is very expensive and therefore used for preparing special chemicals only. એટલે ખાસ પ્રકારના લેબમાં ઓછા એમાઉન્ટમાં બનાવવા હોય તો જ યુઝ કરાય, બાકી ખૂબ જ મોંઘો પડે સ્પેશિયલી. બટ ઇન કોમર્શિયલી which is not useful, કારણ કે બહુ કોસ્ટલી પડે. Acids are reduced to alcohol by converting them to ester. Yes, એટલે જો તમને કાર્બોક્સિલિક એસિડ આપ્યો હોય તો એને એસ્ટરમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી નાખો. It is convenient. અને પછી એસ્ટરનું રિડક્શન catalytic, એટલે catalyzedની હાજરીમાં, in the presence of catalyzed, it gives the alcohol. So how can we forms ester. Carboxylic acid react with alcohol in the presence of H plus means acid. એસિડની હાજરી. આ યાદ રાખજો, અહીંથી આરડેસ મીન્સ મિથાઇલ હોય તો ઇથાઇલ ડિફરન્ટ બતાવવા. આ ડેસ છે, માઇનસ નથી. અહીંથી H છે, from here OH છે. In the alcohol, H from alcohol, OH from carboxylic acid, remove by H2O. So RCO combines with OR dash. So it gives ester. Then after reduction, catalytic. એટલે catalyzed ની હાજરીમાં reduction થાય, catalytic reduction કહેવાય. So OR group from here removes. Here one hydrogen combines. So R dash OH one alcohol. Here one bond remaining. But here pi bond also breaks. So 1-2 bond of carbon and 1 bond of oxygen remaining. The 3 hydrogen enters here. So gives RCH2OH. You can see like OR સાથે H combine થાય તો R dash OH RCO છે, એમાં આ pi bond break થાય એટલે આના બે નાના 1 bond remaining છે, ત્યાં 3 hydrogen આવી જાય. I am giving you example for that. Suppose acidic acid is given. We have to convert into alcohol. Acetic acid is reacting with methanol in presence of acid. H from methanol, OH from carboxylic acid. Gives CH3CO. Here OCH3. Actual structure is like this. Anti remove of OH, anti H, OCH3 combines here. So CH3, C double O, CH3. This part is methyl. In 2 carbon and ester, so ethanoate, methyl ethanoate, it gives now catalytic reduction. And balance ના કરેલું આપણી જાતે કરવાનું હોય inorganic. CH3O removes with 1 hydrogen. Methanol remaining part CH3CO 1 hydrogen here. Then after 2 another hydrogen comes here. So it gives mixture of methanol and ethanol. Acidic acid gives here 2 alcohol, methanol and ethanol mixture. Now from Grignard reagents, yes, third one, preparation of alcohol. First pelochemistry બનાવ્યું from alkenes, second from carbonyl compounds. In the carbonyl compounds we discussed about it. From Grignard reagents, RMgX is Grignard reagent. Magnesium is metal. Alkyl group having carbon. Electronegativity of carbon is more. So electron is moved toward the carbon. So this carbon is partially negative. Magnesium partially positive. In carbonyl group, carbon oxygen bond છે, but electronegativity oxygen ની આય એટલે એરો બતાવ્યો છે. Partially negative, partially positive. Alcohols are produced by the reaction of Grignard reagent alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. In chapter 10, class 12, we discussed with aldehyde and ketones. In aldehyde and ketone, there is a carbonyl group, so easily adds there. The first step of this reaction is nucleophilic addition. Why nucleophilic? Positive charged carbon is the nucleus. So negative part of Grignard reagent attracts toward it, so which is nucleophile. And that process is called nucleophilic. Additionally, આનો pi bond break થાય. પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ કાર્બન અને ન્યુક્લિયસ કહેવાય. એના વડે કોઈ નેગેટિવ પાર્ટ એટ્રેક્ટેડ હોય તો ન્યુક્લિયોફાઇલ કહેવાય, ન્યુક્લિયોફાઇલ. નાનો પાઈ બોન્ડ બ્રેક થઈ એટલે અહીંયા નેગેટિવ પાર્ટ અને કાર્બન ઉપર પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટ અને ઓક્સિજન સાથે કમ્બાઈન થાય. સો એડિશન એટલે પાઈ બોન્ડ બ્રેક થઈ એક મોલેક્યુલમાં બીજો મોલેક્યુલ એડ થઈ જાય અને એડેડ પ્રોડક્ટ એડિશન રિએક્શન કહેવાય. You can see MgX is positively charged. Methyl means the alkyl group combines here. So carbon is positive charge, minus, plus minus cut. Here MgX with oxygen. A negative positive cut થાય એટલે in salt oxygen સાથે MgX જોડાય, carbon સાથે R, added to product a first step. Now second step, hydrolysis means reaction with water. Here two part of water, H plus and OH minus. So what happens here? In the adduct product, MgX combines with OH and removes as a magnesium. Magnesium forms two bonds, one with X, one with X means halogen, one with OH. MgOH removes and one H plus combines with oxygen. So OH, ROH gives alcohol. So first step માં aldehyde અને ketone માં Grignard reagent add થાય એટલે adduct product આપે. Second step માં water સાથે react થાય, hydrolysis થાય એટલે alcohol આપશે. Yes. Understood? I am giving you example for that. Suppose CH3 CHO is given, ethanol. React with methyl magnesium chloride. Here negative part and positive, two part, plus and minus. Methyl combines here, MgCl here. So CH3CHO, MgCl, and here is CH3. Now reaction with water, MgCl with OH, MgOHCl, hydrogen comes with oxygen. So 1, 2 and 3, propane to all occurs. In salt we can write like this, propane to all. alkyl group carbon ઉપર MgCl oxygen ઉપર એટલો યાદ રાખવાનું અને pi bond break થાય. હાઇડ્રોલિસિસ થાય ત્યારે MgCl સાથે OH, O સાથે H આવી જાય. So it gives alcohol. Now the overall reaction using different aldehyde and ketones are as follows. Which type of aldehyde and ketone is taken? On the basis of it, our product will be alcohol. Say primary, secondary, tertiary. It depends upon nature of the aldehyde. This is formaldehyde. Reaction with Grignard reagent. In the formaldehyde HCOOH and Grignard reagent RMGX. R minus comes with carbon, MgX with oxygen. So R CH2 O and MgX like this. આનો pi bond break થાય એટલે R અહીંયા આવશે, આનો pi bond break થાય એટલે એક bond કાર્બન નો ને એક ઓક્સિજન નો રિમેનિંગ છે એટલે અહીંયા રિમેનિંગ O સાથે MgX અહીંયા R CH2O MgX taken. Now reaction with water means H plus OH. MgX remove with OH. MgOHX and there hydrogen is. So R CH2OH gives primary alcohol. When we take a formaldehyde, remember, so it always gives primary alcohol. When we take formaldehyde, store in your mind. When we take a formaldehyde and react with any Grignard reagent, methyl, ethyl, propyl, gamethyl, so it always gives primary alcohol. But formaldehyde sivaય, except formaldehyde, any other aldehyde is taken. The formaldehyde સિવાયનો કોઈ પણ aldehyde, suppose acetaldehyde means ethanol, 3 carbon means propanol, ethanol, propanol, any. It reacts with the Grignard reagent, so it always gives a secondary alcohol. Formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent gives primary alcohol, but rest of formaldehyde, other aldehydes gives always secondary alcohol. Yes, RCOOH. Here Grignard reagent. This part combines with carbon, obviously. So MgX with oxygen. So here after breaking the pi bond, R dash comes here. And O with MgX. So R C R dash you can see. Then O MgX. CH and OMgX. R CH R dash then OMgX is taken. Hydrolysis of it means H plus and OH, be part of water. MgX with OH. MgOHX will be replaced. Hydrogen comes here. So RCH and OH. So here OH containing carbon is connected with another 2. So this is secondary alcohol. Here is ethanol taken, propanol taken, whatever. Formaldehyde only primary alcohol. આ સિવાયનો કોઈ પણ aldehyde હોય, so it always gives product secondary alcohol. Now, then after ketone, when we take any ketone, so it always gives tertiary alcohol only. Any ketone when we take any ketone, RCOR, actually RCOOR, RCOR react with the Grignard reagent. So we know R dash comes to carbon, MgX on oxygen, whenever pi bond breaks, so alkyl combines here MgX with the oxygen. So here is R dash, then after O MgX, R dash C O MgX. Hydrolysis of it, reaction with water, MgX remove with OH, MgOH, and then after H combines here. So R dash and OH. So OH containing carbon you can see is connected with another three. જે કાર્બન ઉપર OH છે બીજા ત્રણ સાથે અટેચ છે. So it is tertiary alcohol. So when we take ketones, so any reagent Grignard combines with it, it gives adduct product, nucleophilic addition reaction, then after hydrolysis it gives a tertiary. You will notice that reaction product a primary alcohol with methanol means formaldehyde. Secondary alcohol with other aldehyde. Formaldehyde સિવાય any aldehyde હોય, ethanol, propanol, benzaldehyde, so it gives a secondary alcohol. And tertiary alcohol with ketones. The ketones always gives a tertiary alcohols. Here is a product. Now our in-text question. Sorry, exercise example 11.2. We are in our example 11.2. Give the structure and IUPAC name of the product expected from the following reaction. Catalytic reduction of butanol. Yes, first one. One, two, three, and four. This is butanol. Catalytic reduction means reaction with hydrogen in presence of catalyst, nickel, palladium, platinum, whatever. Otherwise sodium borohydride, otherwise lithium aluminium hydride. Here should be nickel, palladium or platinum. Yes, પાંચમાંથી કોઈ પણ out of 5 any one is allowed. Here what happens? Reduction means hydrogen will be adds. Actually butanol having COOH structure. We know here pi bond breaks. One bond of carbon, one of oxygen remaining. Here one and here one oxygen, hydrogen combines. So CH3, CH2, CH2 and OH. Butane 1-ol is our product. CH3, CH2, 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 OH. This is answer. Butane 1-ol is our product. Now hydration of propene in presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Propene is reacting with water in the presence of sulfuric acid. Hydration means reaction with water. Second one. Hydration means reaction with water of propene. CH3CH double bond CH2 is a propene with water. Dilute sulfuric acid is a catalyst here. Dilute sulfuric acid means H2SO is a catalyst, otherwise H plus. Diluted H2SO. Here two part of water, H plus and OH minus, and we know our alkene is symmetric or unsymmetric. Yes, unsymmetric. After double bond there is CH2, and before double bond there is CH3CH. Both are different. So according to Markovnikov rule, more negative part combines with less hydrogen having carbon. So after breaking here pi bond, 2 electron moves toward CH2 and OH combines here and hydrogen here. આ પ્લસ છે ત્યાં OH માઇનસ આવશે, આ માઇનસ છે ને H પ્લસ, પ્લસ માઇનસ ન્યુટ્રલ, પ્લસ માઇનસ ન્યુટ્રલ. So CH3CHOH then CH3. So propane to all is our main product. 1, 2 and 3. Propane to all is our product. Now third one, C. Question: reaction of propanone. Propanone means acetone. For propanone with methyl magnesium bromide. This is methyl magnesium bromide. Followed by hydrolysis. Then after hydrolysis. So first of all, we know CH3 minus and plus. Plus minus. Methyl comes toward carbon. Nucleus chain. Nucleophilic adduct reduct reaction NGBr with oxygen. So CH3C, here CH3, CH3O. First of all, pi bond breaks between carbon oxygen. The one valency vacant of carbon, one of oxygen. So methyl combines here. Why? Which is positive charged. Oxygen is negative, so MgBr comes here, plus minus cut, so our product is like this. Yes. Then after hydrolysis means reaction with water. In the water there are two parts, H plus and OH minus. So MgBr with OH removes magnesium hydroxybromide. Hydrogen is remaining combined with oxygen. One, two, three. Longest chain में carbon 3 propane, second ऊपर methyl. So 2-methyl propane to all. 2-methyl propane to all is our product. આમ લખો કે આમ લખો તો આ 3 કાર્બન થાય 1, 2 and 3. 2-methyl propane to all આમ લખેલું છે. નહીં તો સેમ જ રહેશે ને, લોંગેસ્ટ ચેન આ જ થાય ને, સેકન્ડ ઉપર મિથાઇલ, સેકન્ડ ઉપર હોય. 2-methyl propane to all is our product. You have to take a screenshot of that for your better understanding. Now we will start in our next lecture preparation of phenols. Till then, bye.